Can see the screen? Hello? Just make sure. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir, we can see.
Otherwise, I'll not make sure that I'll not be sure you see it or not. Okay, relations and functions. We have the operations on real functions. We call it algebra of real functions. Operations. We can add, subtract, multiply. So many operations. Addition of two real functions. Remember, these are valid only for real functions. Domain and range both should be either R or its subsets. Let us see how we define addition of two real functions. Suppose I have a function f from a to r. Remember, a may be a subset of r, b may be a subset of r. You can broadly say a to r and b to r. Be two real functions. Then f plus g, the sum of two functions f plus g is a function from e to r. What is e? Is a function defined as f plus g of x equal to fx plus gx for all x in E. What is E? E is nothing but A intersection B. That means very modernly see that if you have two real functions f and g, the domain of f is A and the domain of g is B. The domain of their sum is A intersection B. Be very careful. The domain of the sum of two functions is A intersection B. Okay? Domain of f plus g is A intersection B. We'll have examples on the way. We can subtract same way. F from A to R and G from B to R to real functions. Then f minus g is from E to R. F minus g of x is fx minus gx for all x in E. Here again, E equal to A intersection B. Domain of f minus g is also A intersection B. Now product or a multiplication of a function by multiplication of a function by a number, by a constant. It is not product. We can call this multiplication of a function by a number. Let f from A to R be a real function and let k belongs to R. Then kf, f is a real function, k is a number, then kf. Kf is a function from A to R, k is a function from A to R. This is the domain of kf is again A. There is no change in the domain. Defined as kf of x equal to k multiplied by fx. Kf of x equal to k multiplied by fx. Okay? So domain of kf is as good as domain of f. Domain of kf is as good as domain of f. Now product of two functions. Product of two functions f and g. Suppose f is a real function, f is a real function, g is a real function. F from A to R, g from B to R be two real functions. Then the product fg also is a function from E to R. What is there again? Fg of x is defined as fx into gx for all x in E, where E is nothing but A intersection B. E is nothing but A intersection B. Remember, f plus g, f minus g, and fg. All these have the domain, their intersection of domains A intersection B. Quotient. Be careful now, we are going for the quotient of two functions. F from A to R, G from A to R be two real functions. Then f by g is a function from E to R, defined as f by g of x equal to fx by gx for all x in E. Here what is E? Where E is not necessarily A intersection B. From A intersection B, I have to remove. What is to be removed? Those x where gx equal to 0. Those x where gx equal to 0 is known as the zeros of gx. So the zeros of gx must be removed from the domain, or precisely f by g of x is fx by gx where gx is not equal to 0. That means when gx is 0, the function f by g is not defined. So what is the domain of f by g? That is the intersection of the domain removed the zeros. A intersection d minus zeros of g. That is the domain of f by g. Very important. So zeros of function f means what? Set of x that f x equal to 0. Find the zeros of f if f(x) equal to this is only side constant. f(x) equal to 0 means x minus x squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. That is x equal to 2 or x equal to 3. So zeros of f is 2, 3. Just zeros. Now let us come to our point. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Be careful about I have two sets A and B. I am going to define f from A to R. F is equal to 1, 5. Smaller. 10 must be here. I made it like that. 10 is missed. Okay. There is a 10 missing here. Just add, otherwise this function doesn't look. 10 missing here. 1, 5, 2, 10. Again 0 also. Oh, sorry, not necessary. It is not from A to B. So sorry. It is not from A to B. It is from A to R. No, my reading error. There is no 0 or 10. So 0 range actually is subset of R. It is from A to R, not from A to B. It is from A to R, not from A to B. So 1, 5, 2, 10, 3, 0, 5, 8, 7, 9, 8, 2. G from B to R. G is equal to 1, 8, 2, 0. Remember, F and G are from, F is from A to R. A is a domain. Codomain is R, not B. It's not from A to B. G is a function from B to R. Domain is B, codomain is I. It's a real function. I want f plus g, f minus g, 7f, for this fg, product f into g, f by g, and 2f minus 3g. You getting along? I want f plus g, f minus g, 7f, fg, f by g, and 2f minus 3g. Let us see how we find f plus g. What is the domain of f plus g? We will see what is domain of f. That is A. Domain of g, that's B. So what is A intersection B? 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 is A intersection B. So f plus g is a function from E to R. How is it defined? F plus g of x equal to fx plus gx for all x in E. So E has element 1. I want the image of 1. What is f plus g of 1? F plus g of 1 is f plus g of 1 is f of 1 plus g of 1. F plus g of 1 is f of 1 plus g of 1. What is f of 1? F of 1 is 5. Look at here, f of 1 is 5. And what is g of 1? 8. Are you able to see? F plus g of 1 is f of 1 plus g of 1. What is f of 1? 5. And what is g of 1? 8. So what is f of 1 plus g of 1? 5 plus 8, 13. So f plus g of 1 is 13. So 1, 13. Getting along? F plus g, 1, 13. Now next is 2. F plus g of 2. F plus g of 2. You should be able to see. What is f of 2? 10. What is g of 2? 0. So what is f plus g of 2? Right? F of 10. 2 is 10. G of 2 is 0. F plus g of 2 is 10 plus 0, 10. So 2, 10. What is next? 3. What is f plus g of 3? F of 3 is
1.
0. G of 3, now you can get fast. Okay? 1. Good. What is next? 5. F plus g of 5. F of 5.
12.
5. 12. Good. Very good. 12. And next is 7. F of 7 plus g of 7. 15. That is how we get along the sum. Once you get the grip, the math is very similar. Now we want the difference, f minus g. Again, from E to R. F minus g of 1. F of 1 minus g of 1. f of 1 minus g of 1, that is 5 minus 8 minus 3. It is a to r, e to r, could be any real number. Next is 2, 2, 10, 3, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 1.
Minus 1.
Further, next is 5.
4.
8 minus 4, 4.
4 minus 4.
No, 8 minus 4.
Okay, 4.
8 minus 4, 4. Next is 7. F of 7. 9 minus 6, 3.
3.
3.
Correct. Next is 7f. 7, what is 7f? 7f domain is the same A itself. 1. F of 1 is 5. So 7f of 1 is 7 into 5. 7 into 5, 35. Next is 2. F of 2 is 10.
70.
70. Next is 3.
0.
0.
2 itself. Next is 5. Very good. You are getting it
64.
wrong. Yes. 56. 7. 7 8s are 56. Next is 7.
63.
63. And one more. 8 is there because it is domain is
14.
40. Correct. Now we need FG product. FG of 1. 1 into 5 into 8. Right? 40. FG of 2. Tell me.
0.
0.
0.
FG of 3. Again 0.
0.
FG of 4. No, what is next? 5. FG of 5. 32. FG of 7. 9, 6 are 54. And here comes for F by G. Zeros of G. When is G 0? G of 2 is 0. That's 0. G of 2 is 0. That means 2 is a 0 of G. The value of x where gx is 0. So this 2 should not be in the domain of F by G. Domain of F by G, that is A intersection minus zeros of G. What is zeros of G? Only 2 is there. That is A intersection minus 2. A intersection B minus 2. That means 1, 3, 5, 7. You know why this 2 is removed? Because of 2, G of 2 is 0. For the domain of F by G, fifth is F by G. It is A intersection B minus zeros of G. That is 1, 3, 5, 6. Mark is simple now. F by G from F to R. F by G of 1 is F of 1 by G of 1. Nothing to worry. It is 5, 8. 5, 8. Not 8 by 5. 5, 8. Here I write. 5, 8. Not 8 by 5. It is 5, 8. And F by G of 3. F by G of 3. 0 by 1. 0. F by G of next is 5.
2.
2. 2. Correct. F by G of next is 7. F by
3
G
by
of
2.
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Good. What is next? 2f minus 3g. For that, what we do is that we need first 2f, 1, 10, 2, 20, 3, 0, right? 5, 16, 7, 18, 8, 4. And 3g, 1, 24, 3g, 1, 24, correct? 2, 0, 3, 3, right? Are you getting along? 4, 18, 5, 12, 7, 18, 9, 33. 2f minus 3g. I want A intersection B to R. What is A intersection B? 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Correct. 2f minus 3g. 1
Minus 14.
minus 14. Next is
20.
20.
2. Yes.
Minus
Next
3.
is 3. Very good. Next is
4.
5. Yes. Next is 7.
0.
5.
0.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Now we can have in the rule method or description fx is 5x plus 3. Remember, all are from R to R. F and G are from R to R. F is from R to fx equal to 5x plus 3. G is equal to gx equal to 3x minus 4. Find f plus g of x minus g of x. Half f of x. Remember, this is half f of x. And fg of x F by G of X, also write the domain of F by G. Domain of F by G must be domain of F intersection domain of G, both are as having real numbers, but Gx should not be 0. When is Gx 0? 3x minus 4 equal to 0 means x equal to 4 by 3. We can easily write the domain. F plus G of X, Fx plus Gx, that is 5x plus 3 plus 3x minus 4, that is 8x minus 1. Next is F minus G of X, Fx minus Gx, that's again 2x plus 7, right? Half f of x is half into fx. Half into fx is, what is your fx? Half into 5x plus 3. You can write 5x plus 3 upon 2. Fg of x is fx into gx, 5x plus 3 into 3x minus 4. You can multiply that. F by e of x is fx by gx. Gx should not be 0. Dominant of f by g is r minus 4 by 3 because denominator is 0 when x equal to 4 by 3. Well, we are through it. I have a few questions here. I'll be sharing these questions for you. It will be easy to do. First one is ask the previous one, find f by g minus g, etc. Second again like this. And 44 is f from R2 or fx equal to x squared minus 7x minus 6 and a2 member of f. Find a. Few more questions. You can easily write f from a to n. F is equal to the highest prime factor of x. You can write in positive form. Write the universal relation. You tell me what is universal relation. If a and b have 9 elements in common, find the number of elements common to a cross b. If a and b are non-empty sets and if a cross b equal to b cross a, prove that a is equal to b. Well, by this, I think you will be happy to complete the chapter. How many are here?